Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Everybody, let's finally take a look at the Bitcoin market. Here we have some really interesting surprises. So in recent couple of sessions we in details have discussed the recent statement of the central bankers, mostly Jerome Powell, but Christine Lagarde also has said really important things. And in general these statements were dovish actually. So as you can see, reaction on euro currency on the gold market. So in recent couple of sessions we've done great trading stops on both assets to the upside. And what is really surprising is that you can see that the Bitcoin market absolutely doesn't react on stock market as well. You can see the upward actions keep going. So Bitcoin market right now is living with its own life, where definitely sees some, well, we could sign some kind of the housing of the enthusiasm of the traders, participants who were actually inspired with the ETF improvement, these big flows inside of them. Recently we talked about possible improvement of the ETFs on the Ether. But in the recent report, guys, that we have prepared a week ago, approximately, fundamental report, we have said from the technical point of view, everything really not bad and mostly positive for the Bitcoin market. We actually expect that Fed policy will become dovish and rate cut would come as soon as in July. Although nobody currently expects this, but we think that this event really could happen. There's good chances to happen. And from the technical point of view, fundamental background, it's a general positive side. But we see the really big risks for the Bitcoin as a political, especially coming from the inside of the United States. You do know what is going on right now, so absolutely mess is going on in the election campaign, in the Democrats' camp. It's really some madness. And that particularly could make impact on Bitcoin performance. So why this could happen, we explain in the report. So why this really one of the major driving factors and one of the major sources of the risk of the Bitcoin market. Currently, based on by taking a look on the long-term charts, nothing is lost. So if even Bitcoin, as we explained many times, if even it will show very deep retracement back to the 35-40 area, the major tendency will not be broken, but this would be really a challenge for the minds of the investors. If Bitcoin will lose approximately 50% of its capitalization, dropping back to the 40-35 area, back to the European point. Although that would be just a 618 retracement and more stressing back up. So it's not a strategy actually. Market will return right down to the major long-term trend, as you can see. So, but still, this will be really not pleasant moment, and you understand lots of really screaming will be on the market if it will start forming. So currently, based on current performance, this pattern that we have here, this consolidation, seems very important. Because currently, while market stands inside of it, this is bullish sign, because market is forming the bullish flag right around the previous top, very tight consolidation. But once market will start breaking it, and we think that this will happen, that will not be stopped to be big bullish side, and this might become bearish once this breakout to the downside will happen. Nearest target, as we explained last time, stands around 50 even area, because this is just strong support. But what will happen after that is difficult to say. So once market will hit the 50, it's very probable that it could keep going lower, just because of the some kind of the sequence of the stop ordering triggering. Short-term investors will start out of these positions, closing them. Also, market right now has a big derivative company itself, which also lead to the massive selling. So it's very important. Currently, we're watching for euro pivot support one. Market already broken, now we're returning back. On a weekly chart, we see that our double weekly pattern works really great in in action. And we said by Jordan actually framework that the minimum target of the W is a 50% support of the whole rusting action of the W. Approximately this is around 45 area. So that's my key, the destination point of the W. But since this target stands too far from now and it stands below the weekly reversal, we're not considering right now immediately. So in the current moment, since market is breaking down 60 support area, we consider this cluster. This is a simple standing level. Maybe it's not very important. Besides, it agrees with this previous lows already has been tested. And we are watching for an area around 50 euro, because as you can see, this is strong confidence support, 51, 50, 52, and the weekly reversal. So 50, 52 area, this will be next supposed destination point for the weekly market. So on the daily chart, all this stuff would be realized by the failure of this kind of shorts. As you can see, our recent trading stuff, taking short position with just not with bread and butter trade is worth profit. And we said that market could not stop at the minimum target, it could become just a starting point of a big drop. And as you can see, currently going on. So right now, this is obviously stands out of the idea of the hand shorts. It's not typical of market dropping back to lows of the head. It means that it will break it down, and correspondingly it means that drop below the head automatically will lead market to the next support, which is around 52. So market right now is not at the result probably. Check this out in the daily chart to be sure that it's not, yes, it's not at the result yet, so it will drop more. Stops that have been placed here will be triggered and bring more fuel to the dollar direction, obviously. So currently, obviously, everything stands bearish, and well, if you have taken a position with dollar bread and butter, just accept our congratulations, you could manage it as you wish currently. Here, guys, also take with some signs like the three black runs, well, usually forming on the top on the big reversals, but here you can see definitely stands an acceleration. Yes, we don't have tail closing, but every day black candle becoming greater. It means that here we have great acceleration down. On the ground on the holiday United States, you can see what's going on. It's definitely bearish. Finally, on the fall temporary chart, that's our previous setup that we discussed. And if you currently would like to take a position, you could just wait when the market will show this minor bounce, because the same bread and butter trade that we were trading on the daily chart could be repeated on the hourly chart. So if, for example, we will get some pullback to the 30% level and retesting the previous lows, that will be the chance to consider taking a short position. So in the current circumstances, we do not consider any losses in this trade. So that towards what we have currently